my name is Jocelyn Ellington. I'm going to be talking to you guys today about video marketing. I'll cover a few key points. 1. Why video marketing is essential for entrepreneurs and small businesses. 2. What holds us back from beginning video marketing and how to conquer our fears. And 3. How to effectively use video marketing to maximize conversions and increase the traffic to your business. Let's begin. Why is video marketing so essential? Let's go over a few quick facts. Did you know that Google loves videos? And because of Google, if you have a video embedded in your company's website, it is 50 times more likely to appear at the top of search engines. You know what that means? More traffic. 1/3 of all online activity involves video. 80% of consumers report that they'd rather watch a video about a product than read about it. It's easier to watch how it's done than read how it's done, and it's also more enjoyable. 1 minute of video is worth 1.8 million words. The number one reason why video marketing is so essential today is because it increases sales. Many companies report that when they began using video marketing, their conversions increased by 70%. So you may have a beautiful website, you may have perfect strategies, you may even have spot-on content, but you still may not have sales or leads. And what may be missing for you is video marketing. Video marketing is mandatory in 2020. It is just taken over completely. The main reason is because it increases profits, it increases sales. Now let's talk about some of the fears that hold us back from video marketing and how to conquer them. There are two major fears that stop us from beginning video marketing. One of our biggest fears that hold us back from beginning video marketing is that we fear we may not have the right equipment, the right tools to produce quality video. Well, let me tell you, we don't necessarily have to have expensive cameras. We can use our cell phones today. iPhones produce great quality today, and even smartphones and Androids. It's better to get it out there on video, and you can worry about the quality later if it really bothers you. But most people like to see authenticity anyway, so if you're just recording on your cell phone, it's fine, as long as you're getting your message out there. And we're going to talk about messages coming up soon, and what messages are important, and what types of videos are necessary to be effective while video marketing. The second thing that holds us back from recording videos is many of us are afraid of our appearance, or we may not like our voice. You know how you call your voicemail to check it sometimes and you're like, oh, I don't want to hear my voice. A lot of us are afraid of our image and our voice. The only way to get around that is repetition. Like Cindy Cohen said, owner of See to Your Health, told us that it takes 50 times to become a master of videos. So the more you do them, the more comfortable you're going to be. That first video that you make, it may be absolutely horrible. You may hate it, but you have to start. Once you get that first one rolling, the next one becomes easier. It may not be as comfortable as you'd like it to be, but when you keep on doing them over and over, you get better and better. And then eventually, you may just be really confident, but you just have to begin. The only way to conquer the fear is to start. Now we'll talk about different types of videos. How to effectively use video marketing. Effectively using video marketing begins with what type of videos you are going to be putting out there and what they're composed of. So there are different types of videos you want to use. When you're first starting your company, it's okay to begin with like an introductory video explaining who you are and why your customers should choose you. That is good. But what is better than an introductory video is a video explaining who your customers are and selling your product to them. For instance, if you sell makeup, you may want to start off with saying something like this. Are you tired of your skin looking like cake? Are you tired of going through so many makeup companies and not finding the right blend for your skin? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Our Bare Minimals product, it is made of all natural ingredients from the earth, and your skin will be flawless. But not only will it be flawless, it will be healthy, and you will not be putting any chemicals because all of our oils are essential and they are natural with no chemicals. If you want to go from toxic skin to healthy skin, come with us in whatever your makeup company line may be. Say your company's name is Roses. Come to Roses and we'll get your skin looking lovely. So basically what your video is going to say is what your customer wants, the problem that is standing in their way, and how your company can solve that problem. And this video doesn't need to be longer than 60 seconds. 60 seconds is a great length of time, just like a commercial you're watching on television. Just catch their attention. And what you're doing here is you're telling the customer story and using your company as their guide, their mentor, to fix the problem. And I can give you a few more examples of this. Okay, so another example would be, say you have a cleaning service, all right? So you can have this ad on, say, Facebook and Instagram or YouTube. People always go on YouTube to find how-to videos, you know. So if someone's looking for a cleaning service, someone who works a lot, and you have a business. So this might be your pitch for that video. Wouldn't you like to have a home that is spotless? Aren't you tired of coming home to your house after work and having to work a second shift just to keep things clean? Don't you get exhausted doing that? Wouldn't it be just great to come home and everything is taken care of and you can relax and have a glass of wine? That'd be great, wouldn't it? Well, with JT Cleaning Company, we can take care of that dream and make it a reality. Just give us a call and we will show you how it's done. See? So we talked about what they want, what the problem is that's standing in the way, and you also may want to give a little teaser. Wouldn't it be lovely if we can make that dream come true? And then you tell them how the problem can be solved by coming with you. I could give one more example. For instance, say you have a car detailing company. You could pitch this to the viewer on YouTube or Facebook or wherever you want to put this ad at. That would get the most views. Usually it's a social media outlet or YouTube. YouTube is the YouTube is the second most search engine in the world, next to Google, and it's owned by Google. Okay, so say you own a car detailing company. You can pitch this to them. Wouldn't you love to have a squeaky clean, spotless car? Are you tired of getting in your car and kicking over trash, having guests get in and just look at you like you're disgusting? I mean, that's probably not exactly what you'll say, but you probably catch my drift. So yeah, you're stating what they want, what the problem is, and how your company can solve the problem. Well, if you come to J&R's Car Detailing Company, we can keep that car clean for an affordable price, more reasonable than any of our competitors, or something of that round. So like I said, you're taking them from point A to where they want their car clean to coming with you at point B, a clean car. So that is one of the best videos, the most effective videos that you can pitch to increase your sales. And you can put those on your website, on your YouTube page, on your Facebook page, on your Instagram. When you're using social media, you want to choose, maybe stick to 2 sites, no more than that, because you want to have the most effect and be able to put your all into them. And if you're scattered around on multiple sites, say 3 or 4, it might not be as effective. Just stick to one that works well for you. Wherever you find your target audience, that's what you want to stick to. So that would be a very effective way to market your company. Other videos that are effective are testimonial videos. When you have testimonial videos on like your company website, it lets other guests who visit your website know what other customers have received, and it's a video version of a review, and it works wonders. It's like a written review except 10 times more effective. Video is just very effective overall. Another type of video that is very effective are demonstration videos. You may go on YouTube and see tutorials all the time of how to do hair, how to braid hair, or how to apply makeup, or how to properly water your grass. Demonstration videos are effective because it shows someone exactly how to do something, and it just takes away all of the complications of reading a label full of instructions, you know, like when you're putting together, say, a vacuum cleaner that comes with a bunch of pieces. A video showing how to do that is very effective, and it makes it easier for your customers. Also, say if you have a company that has vacation packages or resorts, if you have a demonstration video, say showing exactly what it looks like for the customer to come on board with the vacation. You know, you may see pictures or a video footage with, say, Jamaica, like the hotel room or the airplane, or exactly, so they can see exactly what they will be getting themselves into. When someone can see it, it just makes it like easier for them to feel a part of it. Studies show that when consumers see a video about a product, they are more likely to feel confident about purchasing that product. So video just boosts the confidence of your customers, and it just makes everything much better. So those are a few types of videos that are very effective, and those are ways that you can use them. I am now going to show you a little bit about Facebook advertising on my business page, Sky J Music. Come on, let's go. So this is my actual Facebook business page. It is Sky J Music. I specialize in photography, videography, and music performance, as well as music videos and music festivals. And currently I will show you what I am boosting. Boosting is a great way to get your advertisements to a bigger audience. So I boosted this music video that I just released a couple of days ago. Before I boosted this video, it only had about 200 views. After boosting the video, it took me up to 18,000 views, and that is in 4 days. And it all depends. What helps with this is your target audience. You have to have the right target audience. I'm actually going to boost this for one more day because it ends today. So yeah, I boosted it for 4 days for $10, and that got me a lot of views. So I'm just going to add one more day to that. Just one more day, and I'm only going to spend, you can customize how much you want to spend. I'm only going to spend $1. $2. And it says that I'll reach about between 300 and 920 people. But I've actually been reaching a lot more than that, so. And just push boost. They'll review it, and it'll keep spinning to the audience that I'm targeting. You can also, on your Facebook page, you can also boost your page likes if you want to get more likes. You can add an image of, or you can show like your story, and there are different options. You just might want to play around with this, what you want to, who you want your target to be, and exactly what you want your advertisement to be, and you can get your likes. The more likes you have on a Facebook page, the more followers you have, the more people are able to see your advertisement. And if you have 10,000 followers, which I wish I did, you can monetize and begin getting paid, which is why a lot of companies are really pushing for people to go and like their pages. You might go into a business and they say, make sure you go and follow us on Facebook, and they may even give you rewards. If you have 10,000 followers, you can begin getting paid for your Facebook advertisement. This is actually my first ever teaching video, so I was pretty nervous, and I'll get better as I go. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you learned something. Some good information here for you. In conclusion, today we have covered how to use video marketing for your small business as an entrepreneur, why video marketing is essential, conquering the fears of getting started with video marketing, and how to effectively use video marketing for maximum results. Thank you for watching. Before you leave, please subscribe so you can catch the next video that I'll be uploading, probably within the next 30 days. Thank you so much.